Introduction. Space is one of humanity's greatest curiosities. Its depths are still largely unexplored and full of mysteries. Today, I'm going to share 5 incredible and little-known facts about space, along with their explanations. So, if you're ready, let's get started. Fact 1. Space is completely silent, Milky Way emoji. The vacuum of space does not allow sound waves to travel, because sound needs a medium like air or gas to move. Astronauts, even if they are side by side in space, cannot hear each other with their ears. The only way to communicate is through radios. This highlights just how eerie and lonely space truly is. Scientists are trying to understand what's happening in the universe by listening to radio waves coming from space. Some strange signals still remain unexplained. Fact 2. Venus is the hottest planet, fire emoji. Even though Venus is farther from the Sun than Mercury, its surface temperature can reach 460 degrees Celsius. This is because of its thick atmosphere. Clouds of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid create a massive greenhouse effect. That's why Venus is like a giant oven, metals can even melt there. Fact 3. Rogue planets wandering in space, Africa emoji. In the universe, there are rogue planets that drift freely without being tied to any star. Scientists believe there could be hundreds of millions of such planets. These planets either get ejected from a star's orbit into space or form entirely on their own. Some are even as large as Earth. This raises the intriguing question, could they possibly support life? If we were living on such a planet, no sun would ever rise in the sky, it would be dark all the time. Fact 4. The International Space Station moves incredibly fast, rocket emoji. The International Space Station, ISS, orbits the Earth at a speed of 28,000 kilometers per hour. At this speed, it can circle the Earth in just 90 minutes. Astronauts on board witness 16 sunrises and sunsets every single day. The ISS is about the size of a football field. It contains laboratories, sleeping quarters, and exercise equipment. Astronauts have to work out every day to prevent muscle loss. Fact 5. Light from the sun takes 8 minutes to reach Earth, sun emoji, right arrow emoji, Africa emoji. The distance between the Sun and Earth is about 150 million kilometers. Since light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second, it takes 8 minutes to cover this distance. This means that when we look at the Sun, we are actually seeing how it looked 8 minutes ago. When we look at more distant stars, we are seeing millions of years into the past. In other words, observing the sky through a telescope is like taking a journey into history. Conclusion. Space is far more mysterious, terrifying, and at the same time fascinating than we might think. In this video, we only touched on 5 facts, but millions of secrets still await to be discovered. Do you think there are other life forms in the universe? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if